This is MedalDisplay, a DIY 3D printable open source fully customizable display case system. This will be a quick and simple instructional video to help you build your very first display case, as well as extend it to be a bit larger and mount it on your desk or wall. First things first, you're going to need to print some parts. Remember that no hardware is required, so let's get printing. First, you'll need 12 frame corners, 6 stacker 3, 6 link plate 5, 24 shelf pin flat, 6 locking pins, 2 desk stand and landscape, and for the red front plate we'll need 6 front plate corners and 6 extended locking pins to hold the front plates to the frame. First, we take our corner pieces and slot them together end to end using a locking pin to hold them in place. Repeat this until you have one full hexagon. Putting that to the side, we'll do the same thing again, but before locking it all together, we'll put our front plates on top and then slide in the extended locking pins to hold the front plates onto the frame. Putting that one aside now, we'll grab 6 stacker pieces. These are 3 high, meaning the total depth of the frame will require a link plate 5 to secure it all. These link plates are placed on the inside corner of the frame and a shelf pin flat is used to hold it in. Do this 6 times for all the inner corners. Now, carefully lift up the front piece of the frame and place it over the top. Once it's snug, use 6 more shelf pin flats to lock it all together. Something like blue tack can help keep it all nice and stuck together, but a more permanent solution would be glue. Now I can take one small shelf, place it here, and use 4 shelf pin flat to hold it on nicely. The desk stand pieces sit underneath, and this is now ready to use. To extend it, we're going to remove some of these locking pins and split the 2 halves. Then we'll grab 4 extra frames straight and 2 front plates straight. Slot these in end to end as shown. And then secure it all together with locking pins in the frame and front plates. For this extended case, I'll be using 3 shelves. Two small ones on the ends, locked in like so. And then an extended shelf piece on the bottom as shown. This will be used to display a Lego bonsai on my desk, so I'll be placing it on top of the 2 desk stand pieces like so. As you can see, it looks great on a desk, but here are some wall-mounted examples too. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you guys create and add to this system.